tutorial, I will show you how to save your MS Word file as a PDF file. If you want to share your documents to a large group of people and you did not want to change anything in your documents, then save your document as PDF file and send it to everyone. They cannot do any changes in your document. Let's start how to change your document as PDF file. Let's start. Go to File, then click on the Save As button. Here a dialog box open. From this dialog box, you can rename your document as like PDF and select your desired location where you want to save your document. Here I want to save my documents on desktop. Select desktop and from here you can select PDF file. PDF. Now click on the save button. Your PDF file will be saved automatically. Now how to check your PDF file? Minimize this MS Word file. Look at this. Here is the document which we save as PDF. This is your PDF file. So in this PDF file, nothing can be edited by someone. So your document will be saved if you send it to someone. This is our Word, MS Word, and this is PDF file. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.